Welcome back, Back40 Family, to Restoring the Lathe Part 4? Part 4. Yeah, I think it's Part 4. I think I've already lost count already. Now, if I've not shouted you out yet, if you've dropped a comment, it's just because I have not edited any of these videos of time of recording this video. I have made about 3 videos in the past 2 days, just because I have a lot of content right now because I've had 2 days off and then it was the weekend. So, I apologize for that. You have left a very nice comment saying this is how this works. I appreciate it very much. Y'all are the best. Little bit of a recap. This is what we got done. Last video, this guy was pretty eaten up, as you can see. This was like it when I got it. Underside's still pretty good. No idea why there's a 0 there. And then there's this stuff. Now, if you're noticing, part of the apron is gone. That is, I think I have a picture of it. The picture will be right here. That is because, if you remember, I broke off one of the handles to make the apron and the chisel go back and forth on the track. Now, the reason why it is gone is I actually sent it off to a friend who is going to weld it back into place for me. And to my friend, if you're watching this, thank you very much. I appreciate it. So, all of the apron stuff is gonna get set aside for now, because I don't really need it right now, because I'm still cleaning up stuff. As you can see, I still have all that to go. And yeah, that's what we got accomplished yesterday. This is from the first batch of stuff. So, it's all coming along very nicely. And then that guy's been sitting in overnight, and then the other half of it has been sitting in the first half of yesterday, or the last half of yesterday. This guy I'm going to put into a shallow pan, so that way I don't have to use so much rust remover on it. And I'm actually going to try and filter out all the particles from the first batch of rust remover, so that way I can reuse it again. And I think cheesecloth will work. I'm going to try that. If that doesn't work, then I'll go ahead and just use a really fine mesh strainer. And yeah, I think that's it. So without any further ado, as always with this channel, guys, let's get into some time lapse. Oh boy. I do believe I made a mess. Now I'm gonna flip the track over, do the opposite side, but I'm gonna get my other drill because that one's getting really hot, and exchange the battery because the battery is dying. Even though it's a 5.0, I've been running it constantly for the past like 2 hours. So I'm gonna do that and I'll get back with you. Alrighty guys, it has been a little while. My dad and I had to go run out to Home Depot because he's been fixing the sink. I gotta go run out, get some parts for that. And then I did the wire wheel on this side. Did not find the name of the lathe yet. Still hoping to, haven't found it yet. So yeah, that's that on that. Kind of took a break from that and started to do this guy. And I cleaned up this guy right here. And then as you can tell, I don't know if you remember, but this thing is bent, so I gotta fix that. But this guy turned out quite nice. If you're wondering what I have in there right now in the rust remover, I got the feet, and then the, what is it? Not the clutch, the chuck. Got the chuck in there. I think that's what it's called. That's what it's called on a drill. Oh, and then a little something is this guy right here, along with the washer that was on that handle. And it has a bunch of the numbers on there, so try and see if I can clean that up a little more later. But anyways, I'm just gonna go to town on the pulley system. Well, not pulley system, whatever this guy's called. So I'm gonna get cleaning up all this. I don't want to dump this whole thing in rust remover because I'm not able to get it all attached. I don't know if I can get it all in the rust remover. I don't want to mess up anything, so I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. And yeah, let's get into some more time lapse.